The rainforests, home to more than half of the world's animals and plants. High in the canopy, a diamond python, out on the hunt for his dinner, rarely descends to the canopy floor. The macaque monkeys live all their life in the rainforests. Without the forest, they would simply die. The leafcutter ant. With the help of his friends, can eat a small lemon tree in less than a day. The tiger-striped leaf frog, deadly enemy of the leafcutter ants. This looks so beautiful and calm. Be careful though, someone lives here. The checker belly snake, and he is hungry. He may only eat once every month. And today is the day. This is the beauty of the rainforest. But this little chap is running out of room. Soon he will have nowhere to live. He will be forced out, or he will die. Our rainforests are in trouble. From both global warming and deforestation. Please help our rainforests by passing this message on. Thank you.